Are joined by Mr. P. Balasubramanian. He's the VP Finance and CFO Indo-MIM. Hi, good morning and welcome to the show. Congratulations on your successful listing today. Just want to understand if you can just walk us through the company's long-term growth roadmap going ahead from here.
Madam, actually we are in three major technologies. We are into injection molding, investment casting and 3D printing. We cater to 5 different industries: automotive industries, we cater to medical industry, defense industry and aerospace industry and consumer industry. We are seeing great growth as a company, and as an industry we are seeing great growth in defense and medical. We expect these industries to outperform other industries that we are in. Consumer industry is new to India. Thanks to the PLI scheme of Government of India, there are more and more industries coming into this segment, and that also throws up interesting opportunities for us as a company. So we feel on the whole the three of the major segments in which we are operating are seeing good growth, and Indo-MIM also will stand to gain on account of that.
All right. Right. Now, how do you view the sustainability of the company's growth trajectory? Now, do you see any execution challenges going forward?
We don't see that, madam, because the kind of growth projections that we are mentally thinking is such that we will be able to handle it comfortably. We have good capacity utilization number. In our main capacity utilization is about 45 to 50% right now, and it's growing up. We have sufficient capacity inside the company, and we have the capability. We are the largest manufacturer of metal injection molded components in the world. So there is nothing that we cannot do in MIM technology that anybody else can do better than us. So we don't see any challenges as far as our main line of business is concerned. As far as investment casting and aerospace machining is concerned, we have established ourselves as a good player in this industry, and our skill sets are such that today world leaders in this technology, world leaders of world-leading customers do come to us on their own, seeking more and more products. So we don't see any execution challenges as such on any of our lines of business.
No, but Mr. Balasubramanian, what is your outlook on demand across key markets over the medium term?
I lost you. I can't hear you.
So I'll just repeat the question for you. I wanted to know your outlook on demand across key markets over the medium term.
We do see that aerospace industry is growing by an average of about 40%. All the industries are experiencing this, and I know Indo-MIM is no different. Gas turbine business, because of the new, the data center applications, there's a great demand for energy. So gas turbine business is growing stupendously. It is expected to grow by an average of about 50% for the entire industry, and we are also a party to this industry, so we don't see any challenges on those two counts. As far as MIM is concerned, we have a robust library of about 6,400 components which we are executing month on month, and we are adding at an average of about 35 to 40 new components, which is also mentioned in our prospectus. So our growth trajectory continues to be strong, and we feel that the growth will continue in days to come too.
All right, Mr. Balasubramanian, thank you so much for joining in and talking to us today. So that was the listing of the day. Indo-MIM listed almost at a 46% premium. But let's move on and let's check the market breadth. We definitely opened strong, but right now we have fizzled out slightly. Talking about the broader indices, mid-cap and small-cap 100 trading with almost 0.5% cuts. But then there's a mixed bag in terms of sectors. IT definitely leading the pack with almost 2% of gains. But if we look at reality, that's a big lag today, almost 2% cuts on the sector side. PSU Bank almost 0.5% cut on the index, but look at Nifty Auto, even that's a sector that's doing well. We are joined by Kunal Bothra in the studio. Let's take a quick market commentary from him. Kunal, hi, good morning. Welcome to the show. Okay, so we opened strong, but now it looks like a mixed bag in terms of sector performance also, and there's a lot of individual performance because of the quarterly results that's been coming up.
It's a good day for the market, I'll say, Kavita, because, given the kind of handover we were expecting, almost a 75 to 80 point downtick on the index, it's good to see that the Nifty is actually flat to slightly positive. Bank Nifty is underperforming, which I don't see as a major change of view, because over the last, I think, in fact, this entire month, the July series so far, The bank nifty has been one of the key underperformers sector specific wise, and within the banking names you have a slew of private and the PSU banking stocks which have grossly underperformed. So I believe that the market texture is quite okay. You're seeing the advanced decline to be a little bit more on the flattest side, but when we look at this over the last 3 days, we were last week Friday we were almost on the verge of breaking 23,500 600 levels. From there, for the markets to recover and come back to about 24,300 mark, itself indicates that after this 500, 600 point recovery, we are going through a patch of consolidation. So bias is extremely bullish on the indices. It's just that we've hit that patch of consolidation after a series of good last couple of days for the indices.
All right, Kunal, thanks very much for that quick perspective on how the markets are performing. Well, we slip into a very short break right now. On the other side, we bring you more. Stay with us.